The crazy incident at a cheerleading competition today in Texas that caused a lot of panic and injuries. A fight between parents at a Dallas cheerleading competition reportedly caused a massive stampede among the crowd. This was at the downtown Dallas Convention Center where the National Cheerleading Association's All-Star Championship was being held and taking place. So according to reports, the Dallas Police Department responded to an incident today at the K. Bailey Hutchison Convention Center. This was at around 1 p.m. local time, and to begin with, it was thought that there was an active shooter situation that was taking place. That's how chaotic it was. However, police stated that two people had gotten into a fight and that caused a bunch of poles to fall. That then caused a bunch of noise in the building, and that then led to panic. The panic then caused people to rush outside in a crazy stampede. Police then evacuated the building as a precaution, and they shut down the cheer competition event for the rest of the day. A spokesperson for the event said that the competition will resume tomorrow. 10 people were reportedly taken to the hospital with injuries ranging from bumps and bruises to fractures of legs and arms. No injuries were said to be life-threatening, though, thankfully. It was said that this NCAA All-Star Cheerleading Championship is thought to bring around 58,000 people to that area. More than 30,000 of them are cheerleaders from 43 states and 9 countries. It's a very big event. It was said that anybody that left belongings inside the center during the incident could come back tonight to get it between 7 and 10 p.m. Small groups will be allowed in at the same time, and staff will escort people to the place where they left their belongings. Any items that are not gotten today will be placed in a lost and found where they can be picked up tomorrow. But again, guys, there was no shooting. It was just a fight among parents, and that caused mass chaos. It's a crying shame that parents and adults act like this, especially at such a large event for children. This should have never happened. I do hope it goes smoothly tomorrow, and good luck for all the cheerleaders. For more content, be sure to follow, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to subscribe.